Hi, it's Kevin Main here with Torus Power. We're at ISE 2019, and we've got the Torus Power Wallmount unit here. This is what I want to talk about with this unit is really the benefits of using this type of a unit. There's three key benefits. The first is performance. Using an isolation transformer to deliver clean power to the equipment in the job that you're specifying will make the equipment perform to its maximum capability. Amplifiers will be able to really perform the way they're supposed to when you're using an isolation transformer. The noise floor is much lower, so you're going to hear a lot more detail in the music and see more detail in the video. The next benefit is protection. We have multiple layers of protection within this unit: commercial grade surge board, the isolation transformer itself, automatic voltage regulation, and the series mode surge board on the output. So we have multiple layers of protecting the equipment that's connected to this device. And the third benefit is reliability. Using an isolation transformer will just make the equipment and the job that you're installing work better. For more information, go to our website at toruspower.com.